Morning guys, welcome back to another video. We've got our morning coffee and we are off to check out Beverly Hills and the famous Rodeo Drive.
So I think we're going to do the same thing as yesterday. We're going to get our Uber pool to Beverly Hills. I think it's only going to be about 15-20 minutes hopefully. We've made it to Rodeo Drive and it is a dream come true for me. It's like nothing you could ever imagine. They're just amazing, aren't they?
It's just design essential, isn't it? But we're a little bit early at the minute because it is a Sunday. I think the shop's open between 11 and 12. So we've got to find somewhere to have some food and then we can have a proper explore around there.
We've had our cheesecake, feeling a little bit stuffed.
Yeah, I don't know if that's the best idea early in the morning, but that was so good, wasn't it?
It was amazing, really, really
We
nice.
got the Reese's peanut butter cheesecake. Oh my god, best cake I've ever had, hands down. So now hopefully most of the shops are open. But cheesecake stuck in the tooth. We're gonna walk back on the Rodeo Drive, look in the shops and hopefully spot a couple of celebrities.
Just spent almost an hour trying to get the perfect Instagram picture for this one here.
No, whoa.
You wouldn't think he would be so obsessed with it.
No, that is not the case, guys. Literally,
is it not?
Molly wanted a picture on Rodeo Drive. I got her the perfect picture. She was like, oh, do you have one like that? I was like, yeah, go on then, I'll have one like that. But no, she couldn't take it. It took about half an hour for her to take a picture. I didn't even want it. So yeah, no celebrities thus far. But the shops, we've been looking around all the shops, it is amazing in all of them, but you're not allowed to record in them, so we can't show you around inside, which is a shame. But obviously all of them, they're well worth going in, but we can't afford anything.
So there's no point.
It's proper window shopping here, guys.
So we are in Beverly Hills trying to look for these amazing houses. Ones that we will never ever be in, hey? They are huge.
Yeah, come out of Rodeo Drive, walk straight up and you come to these roads of like amazing houses lined with the famous palm trees, and they are incredible. You can follow these roads up and it sort of takes you up into the mountains and the hills overlooking Los Angeles. And I don't think we're going to go that far today, but walk along some of these roads and just check out the houses because they are next level. All that for a photo, guys. We're literally risking our life, but these roads are incredible, and if you can get a good shot on it, we highly recommend it. But now I think we're going to walk up and just check all these plush pads out. Okay, so he's currently left his sunglasses. We don't actually know where, but he can't find them, so he's gone running back to get them. Hopefully he gets them because he didn't bring any other pairs with him. Who does that? Here he comes. Yeah, don't do photoshops on the side of the road. Otherwise we have to buy a new pair down Rodeo Drive and we'd have to go home early.
Look how chuffed he is. Woohoo! We just had another pit stop to get a couple of pictures, just because this road goes like curves around and there's just palm trees all along it, and it is just picturesque, isn't it?
Yeah, I think it's Beverly Drive. So Beverly Drive's adjacent to Rodeo Drive, but then you follow it up like north instead of going back down the high street, and you come to this road and it's just incredible. So we're planning on going there anyway, but we've unmistakably walked towards the famous Beverly Hills Hotel.
It's only 5 minutes from where we are now, straight up the same road that we were on actually. So if you just stay on North Beverly Drive, where all the lovely palm trees are, and just keep on going, it should be, hopefully, at the top of the hill.
Just through this park here. That was so cool. On the way through to Beverly Hills Hotel, through this little park, there's like a little pond, and one bit has all different koi and stuff like that, and the other one is just full of little baby terrapins, little
and
turtles.
Some big ones as well. They're so cute.
So cute, and they're all playing and sunbathing on the log. It's amazing. So yeah, we made it. We haven't got the picture yet because 2 people were hogging it, but we're literally just walking up to the hotel now and seeing if we can get in. I don't even know if we're meant to be in this bit, so hopefully we don't get kicked out.
So I'm chuffed with my picture. Do you know what? His skills have got so much better since we've been away.
I'm actually like a photographer now, aren't I?
Yeah.
But should we walk up and see if we can get to the red carpet bit?
Let's go.
Get as far as we can before getting kicked out the premises. But this place, guys, is amazing. Like, the entrance goes on forever. Molly's broken a sweat walking up in. But it is unreal, isn't it?
Yeah, it's amazing. It's all pink.
So we've made it onto the red carpet at the Beverly Hills Hotel. I'm not sure if we're meant to actually be on here, guys, but it's amazing. We feel like celebrities walking up and down it, don't we?
It's amazing, yeah.
So we didn't get kicked out, guys. I think we were worrying about nothing, because there's quite a few people at the front taking photos and that on the red carpet. But yeah, it's worth it. Walk up from Rodeo Drive and come and see this hotel, because
the best walk, isn't
it is. And this place is incredible. The hotel, the layout, the colours, the cars, the rich people.
It's an experience.
It's an experience. It's definitely worth visiting if you come to Beverly Hills.
But now I need to go and get something to eat, because all this walking makes me so hungry.
Just walking down from the Beverly Hills Hotel, you've got the Beverly Hills sign. It's a little bit touristy, everyone's trying to get their picture done here, but it's definitely a must see if you're walking through, and again, it's free.
Okay guys, so we're just waiting for our Uber to take us to get some food, but you will see the food after this video. Because
tomorrow,
yes.
Tomorrow's video, there's a special food talk, so you have to stay tuned to see that, and we will see you after we've eaten. Really should be getting ready right now, because we want to get up to the Griffith Observatory for sunset. But I'm knackered after all that walking, all the way up Beverly Hills and to the hotel and that. I'm absolutely cream crackered. So, a couple of problems with the uploads and the Mac, but are they resolved?
They're getting resolved. Okay, so Mac problems semi-resolved. Hopefully it should be fully resolved later on. But we are going to go to Griffith Observatory today. We're waiting for our Uber this evening. Been told that it's the best place to see an overview of LA, obviously. I'm going to go at sunset.
We've been dropped by our Uber, worst service ever. He dropped us at the bottom of this huge hill, and the observatory is up there. So we've got to try and hike up and make it for sunset, but I don't know if we're going to make it. I'm going to be alright, but I'm not too sure how Molly's going to get on.
I didn't plan footwear, I've got my nice Vans on.
Go on.
Yeah.
She's struggling.
Because my shoes have no grip.
But we're getting there. Worst service on Uber, he's getting 1 star for this. There's a road that leads to it as well. He's dropped us at the bottom of this big hill. Even this hill though, look at the view from where we are now. Unreal scenes. So we've made it to the top, but we've got to go all the way up this road still to get there.
Perfect.
I've left Molly behind nearly. basically running to make sunset up here now. It's about a mile climb from the bottom.
I'm blowing, seriously.
We're nearly there though.
I know, but that was a hike and a half.
It'll be worth it. It will be worth it. I've been overtaken by Molly now. But Molly, just show them that view with me. Look at that. That is why we're getting to the top of this observatory.
We made it. I am absolutely so out of breath. It's just such a hike.
Molly's got to get fitter, hasn't she?
You're alright.
I'm fine, but no, it is very quiet. There seems to be a lot going on. Obviously you've got the view that's the other side of the observatory.
We're going to check that out.
This bit in front of us is like the start of like some of the Hollywood Hills hikes to see the signs, stuff like that. So we've made it onto the roof.
Finally.
Finally, you got a little look round downstairs. It's pretty
really
cool
for us,
inside.
though.
It's a bit of like a museum type thing. It's worth a look.
Yeah.
But then you come up here and it's basically a competition to get the best spot for a picture overlooking the Los Angeles skyline.
Amazing.
So we're gonna have to get into that competition. Got the shot.
We found it.
Got told by security to get down off the ledge. But get on the
It
ledge,
was
guys.
worth it.
It's worth it. You get the best shots. So hopefully now we're going to go and capture the sunset up here because it's meant to be the best.
So that was absolutely incredible. I've never seen anything like it. To be up this high is so amazing, isn't it?
It is unbelievable, and what a place to wrap up today's video. I'm knackered. I think we're just going to go home and sleep after.
So tired.
So if you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button, drop us a like,
And keep on dabbling.